Reminisce on dangerous summers, was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning, and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy head shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty, and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of '89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Beamer-Fonz. Sorry for the change of scenery, but today's video I'm going to be doing a intake mod. Now for this intake mod, typically you want a performance drop-in filter like AFE, Dinan, K&N, those are the main three. Oh, AEM makes one. And you want a dry filter. You do not want any wet filters because they mess up your MAF sensor. Now some of you guys might be going, hey, that's not a Dinan filter. No, it's not. My Dinan filter is still in my wrecked car and I'm not buying another one if I don't have to. I'm just waiting till insurance says I can go to my wrecked car. So, that's besides the point. So, what you do with your stock airbox is you have your inlet here, and then you basically cut another hole in the bottom of the airbox, and then you will have a pipe going into your bumper. And that is where this guy comes in. This is from Printables Auto, and he makes all kinds of stuff for the E90 platform. So basically, let's see where I've drawn here. This will go on the airbox like so, and then you attach a tube to that, and then it goes out your front bumper or wherever you decide to route it to. So I've got that drawn out. I'm going to go cut it, and then I will mount this up, and I will show you how it goes in the car. So I'll be right back. Alright, so once you've got your hole cut and this mounted on, it should look something like that. So that tube will basically come down the side there, and then it comes down your bumper and into the grill. Now I use these long screws just for now until I get some shorter ones, and then I had these little washers that I decided to use to make sure it all stayed. There's a couple little air gaps that I might just tape off or seal off with some silicone or whatever. But yeah, that is mounted. Then I gotta get the vacuum hose or whatever I'm gonna use and on there, stick it out the grill, and then we got some more airflow. Custom airbox. My last one I had it going into here, but that was not very proper, so I redid it this way, the proper way. So that will be the next step in this video, is putting it on the car. Alright, so when you come back to your car and you have the airbox mounted in place, you will see that it goes right there. And if you attach a hose to there, what I would do is I would take the bumper off, and then I'd run the hose down here, and I'd probably utilize this vent here, which cools the brake rotors. You can see right there, that little inlet. So I will probably use that and route it down here somewhere. But I'll show you guys where I end up routing it to anyways. Just oil on my headlight. But yeah, so once that is on, or once I have a hose, I will show you how to route it, and we'll go from there. E90 Ram Air intake video coming this weekend. Gonna set it up so it comes out beside the fog light right there, right here. And if any of y'all are wondering where to get these, the homie over at Printables Auto, sponsor me, has them. So you get your inlet that goes there, then you connect your hose to it. I just have it coming out here for now, but it will be coming to the grill. And then this is going to sit there somewhere. Also, we got a grill scoops there, catch can there. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Videos coming soon. And also, if you are considering doing this mod, you can see mine is still down there. I highly suggest getting the intake scoops that go right there. They basically, you undo this and they just have little notches that go this way, and they sit quite firmly there. Like, I cannot. My last car was in an accident and they stayed put, so that should say something. So I think that wraps up the end of this video. Part 2 is coming soon. Basically, part 1 is just showing you guys how to install the inlet for the Airbox. And part 2 will be showing you guys how to route it down to the fog light inlet the same way that clears the brakes. So this is the kind of stuff that you guys are interested in. If you want to see part 2 and see how I end up routing it in my car, subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think I did. Tell me if you think I'm an idiot. Tell me if you think I'm helping you. Doesn't matter. All feedback I appreciate. So if you've got tips, tricks, help for me, or even hate, leave the comments down below. This is Beamer-Fonz, out.